Devotion 294. As Samuel continued to confront Saul over his disobedience, Saul did what so many people are prone to do. He began to make excuses and even to couch them in religious reasoning. 1 Samuel 15:20. And Saul said unto Samuel, Yea, I have obeyed the voice of the Lord, and have gone the way which the Lord sent me, and have brought Agag the king of Amalek, and have utterly destroyed the Amalekites. But the people took of the spoil sheep and oxen, the chief of the things which should have been utterly destroyed, to sacrifice unto the Lord thy God in Gilgal. I kept that stuff so I could put it in the offering plate, Samuel. That makes it okay, right? No, it doesn't. 1 Samuel 15:22. And Samuel said, Hath the Lord as great delight in burnt offerings and sacrifices as in obeying the voice of the Lord? Behold, to obey is better than sacrifice, and to hearken than the fat of rams. For rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft, and stubbornness is as iniquity and idolatry. Because thou hast rejected the word of the Lord, he hath also rejected thee from being king. Witchcraft was one of only a very small handful of things in the Old Testament that brought the death penalty. But rebellion is so abhorrent in the sight of God that he placed it in the same category as witchcraft. There is nothing more disgusting to God than a stubborn, unbowed heart and will. Do make up your mind to bow the knee rather than stiffen the neck to God.